Hello, I know I'm doing half and half because I was reviewing the Huda Beauty new metal eyeshadow product. I just used it on my eyes today. If you don't know this product, this is the 2-in-1 product Huda Beauty just came out with. These are not lipstick, these are eye products. This is a matte liquid eyeshadow. So if you want to see this review, make sure to check out the description bar. But today I'm just going to base this video on the face. I use the Huda Beauty concealer as a foundation, as a contour, as an highlight. If you want to see the foundation routine using the concealer, stay tuned guys. So I'm going to use the EOS balm. This is like a lip balm. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty primer. You need to use primer even if you have dry skin. Primer is good. That makes the makeup like last longer. Control the oil on your face. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty concealers. I'll leave the name on the video and at the description bar. Use this shade to contour my face. Hazelnut. This is what my mind is telling me to do, and I need to satisfy my mind. So apply this in the areas of contour. I'm going to take this shade. It's called Peanut Butter. The areas I highlight. I'm trying to place the product so that I can just blend once because I don't have, you understand, I don't have the time. Please, you don't know, like, if you are just a beginner in makeup and you don't know how to apply makeup really well, I beg you, don't do this method. Now we are going to blend my face. Hopefully everything comes together. Hopefully I'm thinking this should be my color. This is my perfect match. To apply a drop of facial oil. I'll use the Beauty Blender sponge. Then I'll blend the contour part first. Everything together. As you're blending, switch the sponge around. Foundation brush and use this to blend. But I've done this method before, but with this concealer, using just the Huda Beauty concealer, I thought it might not work. No foundation today. No foundation for face. Okay. The Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Kunafa. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty powder. So I will press this powder to set. So I'm using the powder to contour. I'm going to use this to dust off. I'll leave the Kunafa powder underneath the eyes just to bake. I can't believe this method works. My face looks flawless. I use the BH Cosmetic Pro Matte powder and the Huda Beauty brush. Dust off the Kunafa. Oh, I love this powder. I bring life back into my face, so I'm going to spray my face quickly. I'm going to use the MAC Charge Water. Huda Beauty Demi matte lipstick. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty highlighter, 3D highlighter. Very well used. This is one of my favorite highlighter palette. I'm going to take this two shade. Oh, that is so pretty. You're beautiful. As a blush, let me like that as a blush to just blend into the colors. It's so beautiful. Just going to spray my face one more time to just blend everything together using the MAC Charge Water. I'm just using this spray. Not that this is my favorite setting spray. I just want it to run out. I don't want to like pour it in the like the drainage system. I just want to finish it up and don't bother about it. Like, it's not worth the £15. Like, there are cheap spray out there that are more like incredible. This right here, just the name and the money, man. So guys, this is the final look using the concealer as a foundation. Let me know what you think, if this is a method that you will try. This is not the first time of me doing this method. I always do this method. Apply all the product, then blend it out, then set it with powder. It's very quick. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, thank you guys for your love and support. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Don't forget to check out the eye tutorial. Okay, bye guys. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sound.